To set separate app sound on your Samsung phone, open up your setting and go to notifications. Under notification, you can see the advanced setting. Now go to advanced setting, and now you have to enable manage notification category for each apps. So just enable this option. So once you enable this option, now go back and you have to open your apps for which apps you want to change your application. For example, I want to change my WhatsApp. Then go to WhatsApp, then under notification make sure it's allow. Once you allow it, then you can see the notification categories. Go to notification categories. Now you can change all of your things. For example, media playback, chat history backup, message notification, or group notification. For example, I want to change my message notifications. Then go to sounds. Now select your desired sound which you want to set. So once done, then go back, then it will be set automatically. That's it. Thank you.